Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Ray. Listen, I'm working over here on my back, working on the Super Duty, doing an oil change. Now, if you saw my previous video, I showed you that I picked up this Spill-less DrainMate. It's my first time using it. Now, let me tell you what I'm doing, how I'm changing the oil on my Super Duty. As you can see, I have this up on a block. Also got a rubber mat to catch whatever oil I may drop for my oil case. Because what I do, as you can see, I roll up on some ramps just to get it a little higher, give me some headroom. All right, with the Super Duty, it's already raised. You can, change your oil without doing this, but this is how I prefer to do it. Of course, I got chucks down at the other end to avoid a roll back, what have you, safety. And I'm about to get up here and change my oil. All right, this will be the second time me changing it. And I picked this up because, again, initially I had the little pan ones, a little small, about the same profile as the cinder block. And the oil always went everywhere. All right, I could never keep it. It comes splashing down, so I end up picking this up. This is an expensive plastic bucket, right? But the only thing I like, the reason why I picked it up, because I like the design. It's thick plastic. It has this part here, so when I put my oil in, well, the old oil will go into the same container that the new oil came out of. So that's what I like this. So I'm pretty much set up now to get this oil change going. It comes in two sizes. I think this is the 3-gallon one, 3.5. I'll put a little screenshot of what the actual size of it. I don't remember right now, but I think it's about 3-gallon. Now they have another one that's a larger or taller, I say. I guess that's 12-gallon. If you don't want to use a cinder block and you just want something higher to get closer to the oil case, you can buy that, but I think that's just a waste of money. Use a block or a box to lift it up to get it closer here, so when the oil comes out, it'll shoot out and hit this, and we should be fine. All right, I think the only thing that may end up spilling oil is when I remove the oil filter. All right, there's always going to be some oil gonna come down, but not as much as this bad boy when you open this up. So enough of me talking, let's just get this done. Little, not how to, but just showing you how I'm doing it and see how this spill may perform, and that's it. All right, so consider like, subscribe. If you're interested in picking this up, I'll put an affiliate link in the description. Please use that link. It does support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. So again, changing the oil on my Super Duty here, 350 with the Godzilla engine tremor. Let's just get this going. Let's go. Okay, so slowly open it up. Because whenever you take out this plug, the oil comes out really quickly. All right, there you go. Okay, guys, I'm gonna tell you right now, I love this thing. All right, because again, using the other thing, this oil been coming down, splashing into that little pan all over the place. As you see, I picked it up. Didn't really need to do that because I wasn't sure. Open it up, it's going right into the bucket, nice and clean. Now, in the bottom, you can see that's the oil that's in that little white part. I started filling it up in there. I have no leaks. So, all well, everything's going pretty well now. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shift this over, because when it starts slowing down, that oil start wanting to come straight down. So, looks good, looks good. So we're gonna let this continue to drain out, and once this is all drained, I'll take this off. Well, I'll put the plug back in, take off the oil filter, put the new one in, and we'll be almost done here. So, first impression after the first use, I like this. All right, again, bucket is kind of expensive, but again, it is what it is. Made in US, support US company. Can you use this with any other bucket? Yeah, I guess you can if you want to do that. All right, can you use a funnel porter in there? Yeah, but I'm a tools guy. This is part of the tools. This help me maintain my truck, and I don't have to really worry about oil getting all over the place. So let me just get this done. Once this is all drained out, I'll come back and show you step 2 on using this. All right, so stand by. Right now I'm about to take off the oil filter, end up loosening it up. Got the bucket underneath. Let's see how this thing performs. I don't expect this to catch all the oil, being that the oil filter always drips a lot more also in all different directions. So I got it pretty much right underneath. So let's see how this works out. Trying not to drop it in the oil bucket. All right. It's not too bad. Taking my time. As you can see all that oil coming out, dropping straight down. And you can see it's kind of due to how my hand is, it's kind of deflecting off of my hand. So I'm just trying to be slowly and deliberate on taking this off. This is a messy job. There you go, it's off. And to tell you the truth, by the looks of things, it caught everything. All right. It did catch everything. I'm very happy with this purchase. To tell you the truth, I am. All right. Past oil changes, I would have oil all over my driveway, and this did a good job. And of course, I changed my technique on how I approach this. All right, listen, I'm gonna slide out from underneath this truck. I got a box on the side I'm gonna grab to throw this oil can in, so this, again, so it doesn't drip everywhere. But so far so good with this spill less. I really did spill less oil now. So stand by, let me just get this done and pull this out. Okay guys, I'm from underneath the truck. Here's my spill less bucket. And I'm telling you the truth, I'm very happy with this purchase. All right, very happy. Able to put the top on the bucket and pull it out without any spillage. And that's the old oil. So if you're looking to pick this up just to do your own maintenance on your truck, and you want a reliable oil can to recycle that oil or get rid of it, I do recommend this. Yeah, can you use a normal bucket and pour it in? Yeah, you can do all that, but this, what I like about this, again, the plastic is very thick. All right, it's really not a cheap plastic at all. It's engineered well. The features are there. It's US made, and it just it works. It works, and you pretty much you get what you paid for. And I paid a good amount of money for this, but I'm happy with that. All right, I like buying quality things, and this is quality. Now we got to see long term how this faucet works, but I don't think it'll be a problem. Now, some people say sometimes it drips. There is a rubber cap here that you want to keep on there. I'm pretty sure if I take it off, the oil is not coming out, but keep that rubber cap with it to keep that oil in there. And once I'm done, I'm gonna transfer it into the existing oil can. Will go into that, and then I'll take that to my recycle station. So guys, it's just a quick video. Just want to show it to you. Please, if it helped, please like, subscribe, check out the affiliate links for this particular model. Again, it will be affiliate. It does support this channel. And guys, be good out there. All right. Hey guys, all right, what I want to do, I'm going to show you, I'm going to fill up this oil can with the old oil, demonstrate how this works. This is my first time doing it, so let's see how it works. All right, I shouldn't spill anything. You know what, just in case, I'll put a box underneath here so I don't spill any oil in my driveway. All right, so, and by looking at it, it fits the nozzle pretty close, so I don't know if I should hold it from here or hold it close. I'm gonna hold it closer to it and open up the nozzle and see how that works. And it is open. I'm gonna pull back a little bit, show you guys. You see that? That flow. So you can control the flow on this, so it doesn't come out too quickly. But I would recommend to put some type of box underneath it just to catch the drips. And that's it. It's filled. All right, I filled it to the almost to the top. And now I'm just going to seal this up with the oil. And that's that. Now, it does drip a little bit, but that's the oil that's in there. That should be expected. So just have your piece of rag, put it like a little box underneath that to catch that drip. And what you can do, just use this little rubber piece to put it back underneath it so it'll stop. So it won't drip anymore. And that's that. Love this little bucket. I think it's worth it. All right, kind of pricey, but again, you get what you paid for, and I think the money I spent for this was well worth it. So guys, consider like, subscribe, and let me get my truck done. All right, I'll see you on the next one, guys. Later.